Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss the case of Puneet Rastogi versus Principal Commissioner of Income Tax, and this case has been reported in 454 ITR at page number 37. The matter has been decided by Delhi High Court and the date of the judgment is 30th August 2022. In this case, the assessee is a foreign citizen and assessee has the status of overseas citizen of India. In this case, the assessee filed its income tax return latest of the assessment year 2011-12. But after 7 years, for which this case is pertaining to, the assessee failed to file its return of income, and later on the assessee came to know that his TDS has been deducted. So the assessee filed the condonation application under section 119. When this condonation application was filed, it was the plea of the assessee that it cannot be expected from a foreign citizen who does not have the taxable income since assessment year 11-12 to know about the due dates of filing the return of income. And it was also the plea of the assessee that there is genuine hardship, there is reasonable cause for not filing the return of income due to the reason that the assessee was not in India. He was a foreign citizen and was having the status of overseas citizen of India since 2009. And assessee was not knowing about the date of filing of the return of income. In this case, the Principal Commissioner of Income Tax rejected the condonation application of the assessee. It was the plea of the assessee before the writ court, because the assessee do not have any option other than filing the writ petition against the order of the Principal Commissioner of Income Tax for rejecting the condonation application. The assessee filed the writ, and it was the contention of the assessee that the Deputy Commissioner of Income Tax was making inquiry with the assessee. So the order passed by the Commissioner of Income Tax for rejecting the condonation application of the assessee was at a predetermined stage, and it was not a speaking order, and the principles of natural justice has not been followed. The Delhi High Court dismissed the writ petition of the assessee by saying that ignorance of law is not an excuse. In this case, the assessee cannot take the plea that he was not aware of about filing the return of income, because the assessee himself had filed his return of income for the assessment year 11-12, and the assessee is not able to demonstrate that there was genuine hardship on the part of the assessee and there was reasonable cause on the part of the assessee for not filing the return of income in time. And the High Court also said that the order passed by the Principal Commissioner of Income Tax is a speaking order and there is no violation of the principles of natural justice. The assessee moved to the Supreme Court, and the Supreme Court also rejected the special leave petition of the assessee. Friends, if we see the whole case, with due respect to the Honorable Delhi High Court and the Supreme Court, if the TDS of the assessee has been deducted by the Income Tax Department and the assessee has not filed his return of income, then in that case it is the duty of the Income Tax Department to issue him or her the notice for filing the return of income. Just because the assessee has not filed his return of income, the amount of TDS cannot be kept by the department according to section 4 of the Income Tax Act, which says that only the real income of the assessee should be taxed, and according to the article 265 of the Constitution of India, which says that no tax can be levied or collected without the authority of the law. Since there is no taxable income of the assessee but the TDS has been deducted, and simply because the assessee has not filed his income tax return, his TDS cannot be kept by the department. This is illegal on the part of the income tax department. If we read section 237, which talks about the refund, then that section also does not say that it is compulsory to file the return of income for claiming the refund. But with due respect to the court, the SLP of the assessee was dismissed in this case. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Puneet Rastogi versus Principal Commissioner of Income Tax, and this case has been reported in 454 ITR at page number 37. The matter has been decided by Delhi High Court and the date of the judgment is 30th August 2022. Thank you, friends.